Biosculpture has been creating healthy, high-quality gel nail products for over 30 years in our very own factory in South Africa. As the nail industry continues to grow, it has never been more vital that we continue to offer ethically produced, high-quality products with the professional nail technician in mind. Our gel products are vegan, cruelty-free, and only available to qualified nail technicians after completing our widely acclaimed training program. As a member of our Biosculpture family, we are here to support you.